10 Ways to Make Money Online 2023. This topic is always popular among people who want to earn extra income or start their own online business. You can share tips, tricks, and strategies on how to make money online using various platforms, tools, and methods. You can also show examples of successful online entrepreneurs and how they achieve their goals. Start dropshipping. This is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Try print on demand. This is a business model where you sell customized products without having to hold inventory. You can create designs and have them printed on products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Make money with affiliate marketing. This is a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Start a YouTube channel. You can create videos on topics that interest you and monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and more. Become an influencer. You can build an online following on social media platforms such as Instagram or TikTok and monetize your influence through brand deals and sponsorships. Create an online course. You can create an online course on a topic that you're knowledgeable about and sell it to people who want to learn more about that topic. Publish an ebook. You can write an ebook on a topic that you're knowledgeable about and sell it on platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Start a blog. You can create a blog on a topic that interests you and monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and more. Consider freelancing. You can offer your skills or services to clients who need them through platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. Create an app. You can create an app that solves a problem or meets a need for people.